How you guys doing today? Welcome to CMAR. Crypto is my retirement. This is your host, King Hair III. This is you watching me on my journey to $1 million. If you're watching this today, this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just on my way to $10 million. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and join my Patreon. Go to cryptoismyretirement.com. Check out my music. Support the channel. Now today, this video, we're going to talk about why Bitcoin has suffered a dramatic decrease. And we're talking about we had literally one candle go from 53,000 all the way down to about $40,000. Within one candle, we have less than 2 hours until we make a new candle. Now, one thing I want you guys to remember that traditionally, as you look on the screen, Bitcoin usually does good in December, and the down months of December was in the early days. So last December we had Bitcoin up 46%. The prior two years, 2019 was -5%, 2018 -5%, but everything was rather green. So November, I think let's see, what was November? I think November was a red month. Let's see. Yeah, November was a red month. We're in December right here, so yeah, November was a pretty red month, and December is getting pretty red too. So, November was a green month. Let's see right here. No, it was a red month. Now it's October right there. So it's November, December. So yeah, do you think we're still in a bull cycle? I say we're still in a bull cycle. I think we have plenty to go. This year has been pretty different. If you look at right now, let's look at January. January 2001, this was green. The previous year was red. February was green. Previous year was red. March is green. Previous year red. So we had 3 greens, 3 red months, 2 green, 1 red, 1 green, 1 red. Looks like we might be red. We're starting off very, very red. Now, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I think that we have this sentiment that's like even Hex is going down. So I think this is just bigger than just we're going to a bear market, because usually in the bear market, Hex is actually pumping. Hex has been down for a nice little minute, and Hex was definitely correcting, doing everything else was correcting. The day after Hex's birthday, even my favorite coin, Doge Girlfriend right now, it definitely went down a little bit, but I'm extremely bullish. Once again, these guys are talking 100,000 holders first quarter, so they have a huge marketing scheme that I think they're going to pull off. So as we go to TradingView, I checked this out, the history of BTC. So around this time right here, what is this, in May? This is when Elon Musk said the powers of Musk. Elon's abandoning Bitcoin. So this is when he abandons Bitcoin, and it went down, and then he tweeted up, and it went up again. So in May, that's the Elon dump right there, boom. And they had all these different milestones that affected the market. And right here, I guess we're going to have a new one right here. See, December 2nd. Fidelity is fed up with the United States. At the months, we're waiting for approval on the Bitcoin ETFs. Fidelity Investments heads north to get the job done. So it's about to launch a Bitcoin ETF in Canada that will let crypto heads invest directly into Bitcoin, making it the biggest asset manager to offer Bitcoin ETF. Canadian regulators have embraced the market, the growing market, with 7 assets managing, offering 23 funds that have already bought in billions in investment. The SEC is still nervous though, and people are getting impatient. Fidelity is one of the long lists of asset managers still waiting for approval from the regulator and its outspoken chairman. So, I don't think this is. I think this is a different type of market now. Just like right there. I think we need to close within an hour. Like, I would love for us to close over $50,000, which is not that far away, man. This is 50K right here. And it'd be nice for the last hour we could just pump up real fast. And, I think Monday, everybody's pretty much waiting on the stock market because the stock market is connected to the Bitcoin market. When stocks goes up, crypto goes up. When stocks goes down, cryptos usually go down as well. And I think this is a shakeout. So let's look at the last big shakeout. Now, right here was the biggest drop of Bitcoin in the shortest amount of time. This is like the biggest drop of Bitcoin in the shortest amount of time. So we're gonna go from right here. We went all the way. We lost 35% in 6 days, basically. Let's see that again. Let's go right here, right there. Yeah, so we lost about 40% in 6 days. With that one, that was like a huge correction. Actually, it was lower than that. So hold on, let's see. It didn't close, but it went as low as that. Let's see. Yeah, actually, it went as low as 50% in 6 days. And that's pretty huge. So let's just see where we're at now. So in a matter of 3 days, 1, 2, 3, we went from, in 3 days, we went 30% in 3 days. That's pretty huge. You know, so the furthest steep from Bitcoin was about 50% in about 6 days. Right now, we're about halfway to that. We're about 30% in 3 days. So let's see what would that gives us if we lose that much. Let's go check it out. Let's see right now. Let's say 60%. Let's see. I mean 50%. Yeah, we're talking about $30,000 Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah, we're talking about close to $30,000 Bitcoin. If this this chart, you know, gives us a similar downtrend like this, we're talking about $30,000 Bitcoin. And a lot of people are saying that it's here, but I just don't see it right now. I think this was a shakeout to shake out the weak hands. I think we needed this nice little downtrend. We needed this dump so the whales can accumulate more. You know, whales do not like buying expensive crypto. Whales do not like buying expensive Bitcoin. And I think if we can get Bitcoin, the fact that this got ate up so fast, this was just a whale move to me, in my opinion. Once again, I think the sentiment is going to be solid, if you ask me. Hex is, you know, still looking hexish, you know. See the hour chart. It's just consolidating, basically. Yeah. Let's look at some history real fast. Let's see. Crazy run up. Crazy run up. Let's look at the market, actually. Let's go see what's going on. Right there. Let's go back to CoinGecko. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. So markets is trying to recover. The people are out there stable coins. USD is at 99 cents. Tether's at $1. A lot of blood has been shed in the streets. Dogecoin 17 cents. You know, how far do you think this stuff can really go? Decentralized's back up over $4. You know, Gala is hot. There's a couple coins that has been pretty hot when everything was dipping. Unusually hot when everything is dipping. I'm looking to see some announcement this week. You know, because they did this over the weekend and it threw everybody off. And I'm really curious to see how the weekend's going to look. So let me give you guys another scenario. So crypto.com deal Lakers. Now you guys know about the $700 million deal that has been bought by the Staples Center. So now the Staples Center is going to be renamed to Crypto.com. And the name is going to take effect on Christmas Day. So it's going to be the two biggest teams in the NBA, which is the most popular sport in the world. We have Lakers with LeBron James, and we have Kevin Durant, James Harden. Basically, attention, huge attention. This is a marketing mechanism to get people into crypto. So my opinion is, if we're talking about Christmas, right, and we're on December 4th, so Christmas is all the way, where's Christmas at? Christmas is right here. Let's see. Yeah, let me do that. So Christmas is right here. Christmas is right here, basically. Oh, where's the line? All right, Christmas is right here. That's Christmas. So, get that out the way right quick. Molly with the apple juice. So, and hold on, which date is on Christmas? Which date is on Christmas too? By the way, let's see. I just want to see the calendar. Let's just Google it. Let's see. Christmas. What day? Yeah. It's on a Saturday. Okay, so let me see a calendar. Let me see. Okay, so Christmas, the last Friday is New Year's Eve. So Christmas is on a Saturday. Christmas Eve is on a Friday. So it just so happens that the last day of the year is on a Friday. The reason why I bring that up, let me get back to the calendar. I'm going to show you why I'm bringing that up. Okay, back to this. Okay, I'm gonna draw to you what I think is going to happen. I think this is going to close at 50K, and we're creeping up there. So I think we're going to be at 50K. I think we might have a little pump, a little dump. We're going to pump. Hold on. Move this shit around, man. There you go. There you go. Get back to that. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, boom, in January, boom, we're gone. I know it sounds crazy. Just laugh, unsubscribe. But I think we're going to pump into the next year. I think they're getting all the dumps out the way. That's what I think they're doing. There's a YouTuber too, and I'm going to show you why. Bitcoin Street, which he's like one of my favorite YouTubers, man, because he just made a chart that is extremely attractive, man. Right here, let me see if it has it. Let me see. Somebody with the apple juice. Let me see.
What is up, land of?
All right.
Over and over.
So the reason why I'm showing you this is because he has these yellow lines, and these yellow lines indicate every last Friday of the month. So in the beginning of the month, we usually end up pumping, then we dump down to the last Friday, which is, I think, the futures closing, if I'm not correct. If I'm correct. So it pumps up in the beginning, it closes down last Friday. Pumps up at the beginning, close down last Friday. Pumps up, close all the way down. It dumps to every last Friday. Literally, pumps up, dumps. So like every line, we pretty much, every last Friday, we dump, literally. There's like one exception, like 1 month where they kind of do that. But every month, that has been the formula. And I haven't seen a chart like that at all. I haven't seen I haven't seen no one talk about this. So let me see right quick. Let's see. Let me see what else we got. All right, let's go back to the chart. So basically, if the last Friday is what? 31st? Okay, let me get mine. Okay, 31st. Let me get this up out of here, actually. All right. Who's that right here? Where's the line? Okay. 31st. Boom. Hold on. There we go. Boom. There we go. So this is the 31st. So this is the last Friday. And like I told you, every last Friday, we dump to that Friday. Why? I do not know. It's a very manipulated market. That being said, I want to draw my chart again because I think we're going to pump until next year. I think we're going to do something different. So I think we're going to close at 50K. Might get a little pump. Hold on. Just laugh. Enjoy this. At 50K, we're going to get a little pump. We're going to stop right here. We're going to pump. Maybe at the 52. Dump. Back down to scare people one more time. Like, oh man, we broke the previous closing when it was done, the previous low. Then we're going to just be pumping. The second week, we're going to just be pumping. That's what I'm thinking. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. We're going to pump into that Friday. Call me crazy, but that's what I think. And don't forget, guys, Doge Girlfriend. Don't forget that token, man. Like, if you're watching this, you'll be crazy not get you no Doge Girlfriend. Their platform is going to drop. I'm the dogs and Elon. Scam! All right, guys. Crypto is my retirement. You guys have a good day.